Okay, what is the date today? Today is the
16.
16. So on your notes, top right hand corner, what do we write?
9/16.
16. 13. Okay. What is this section called?
Oop, the coordinate.
Should be the easiest section you do. Okay, first of all, let's talk about some basics in the coordinate plane.
Mr. Stone, can I sit at that desk? I can't see.
Sure.
Why didn't you bring your glasses?
They both broke. Both ends broke.
Come on. Quiet. This is your x-axis. This is your y-axis. Okay. This is called quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Do you guys know when you have an ordered pair, what's the first one? That's your x and that's your y.
Y.
In this coordinate, coordinate 1, what are the x's going to be? Positive or negative?
Positive.
To the right is positive, so the x's are positive. In this coordinate, what are your y's going to be?
Positive?
Positive, because you're going up. Okay? This quadrant, what are your x's going to be?
Negative.
Your x's are negative. What about your y's?
Positive.
They're on the top. They're on top of the x-axis, so they're positive. In this coordinate, what are your x's going to be?
Negative.
What about your y's?
Negative.
It's down, so they're negative as well. In this coordinate, what are your x's going to be?
Positive.
And your x and your y's.
Negative.
Okay? What is this thing called right here?
Point of origin?
The origin.
I said origin. I said origin.
Now, when you're doing an ordered pair, this is where you start, right? Come in.
Yep.
Thought I did it offline. I'll send it down to the wood office too. Okay, I'll send it down in just a second. All right. Anyhow. Who's gone?
Aubrey.
Josh Woods.
Who else? Court. What's Court's last name?
Lewis.
Spell it.
L-E-W.
Lewis? Okay. Who else is gone?
Josh Woods.
Mason?
Yeah.
And then, who's the seat behind you? Andrew Parsons?
Oh, I don't know.
I think that's it, isn't it?
You alright, Kiki? You keep looking back here like you want to smile or say something or something.
Okay, we're still recording, so let's pay attention here. Okay, so draw yourself an X, Y coordinate plane.
Aubrey just walked in.
Will you cross your name?
Did you just come from prison or something?
Guys, I'm telling you, if we don't quiet down, I'm gonna find something it's not very fun for us to do. Get focused. When I write that down, what am I telling you?
Point A is at 3, -2.
What I'm giving you, and I want you to look at it like this, I'm basically giving you directions. I'm telling you to start here. Then from there, I'm telling you to turn which way? Go straight, down, left, or right?
Right.
Right.
Right, because it's positive 3, and we're talking about the x-axis, so I'm telling you to go to the right, 1, 2, 3, and then
Down 2.
down 1, 2, and I end up at point A.
Bless you.
Come on.
That's what I'm doing.
That's easy peasy, isn't it? Something you guys have dealt with and done for a long time. Now, probably the biggest thing that I need to talk to you guys about is horizontal lines and vertical lines. Our next example, this was example number 1. Our next example, we're going to graph y is equal to 2. Now, I want all eyes up here. When you look on this graph, what's the first place you think of y equaling 2?
On the
Y-axis.
y-axis.
You think of right there, don't you? At this point right here, y is equal to 2. Can anybody tell me another point where y would be equal to?
Any point on the x-axis. I mean,
-2.
-2.
You're saying to the left here?
yeah.
So you're saying right here the y coordinate's 2?
Yeah.
Well, first of all, what are the coordinates at this point? To the left or right, 0, and up what?
2.
So y was equal to 2 there, right? What is the coordinate of this point?
-1, 2.
To the left 1, -1, and what? So is y 2 there?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. How about this point right here? What's the coordinate of it? To the left or right, 0, and up what? Is the y 2 right there? No. Can somebody give me another point where y would be 2? It's okay to make a mistake, try.
1, -2.
Huh?
1, -2.
Okay, if I went to the right 1 and down 1, 2. That's to the right 1, down -2. What is the y coordinate here? It's close to 2, but is it 2? No. I see why we think that, but
One
good try.
positive 2.
You made a good point for me. Huh?
1 positive 2.
1 positive 2? Y coordinate is 2. So this one didn't work, this one didn't work, right? But these 3 have so far. Can you think of another one?
2, -2,
2 to the right 2 and up 2? That works. Can you think of another one?
2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then up 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Do you see a pattern forming here?
Yeah.
Where is everywhere where y is equal to 2? You guys forgot, you think of all these whole numbers, what about this right here? What about 1, 2, 3.5, comma 2? It doesn't have to necessarily be a whole number, does it? Basically, everywhere along what? This what? Horizontal line, what is the coordinate of the y?
Oh,
It's
2.
equal to what?
2.
So, we graphed y is equal to 2. graph of y equal to 6 would be? Huh? It would be the same thing, just go up what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A horizontal line through 6. That's everywhere where y is equal to 6. So if I was going to write a general, that's a horizontal line, right? What do you think I can say about horizontal lines? They're going to be in the form y equal to a what? Some number, isn't it? That's what a horizontal line will always look like. The only thing that changes is what number it's at, where the horizontal line is. Well, let's graph x equal to a negative 2. Shh. X equal to a negative 2. Where's x negative 2 at? Tell me the first place you think of.
-2.
To the what?
Left.
Left, 1, 2. Right there, what's your coordinates? Negative 2, comma 0. Is that right?
Yes.
Where's the next place where x is negative 2? Right here, what's x? Oh, I can't see because of my fat finger.
That's 1.
Negative 1. Where's the next place x is negative 2?
Down 1.
Down 1, like right here?
Yeah.
I agree. Give me another place. Go down another one. Keep going. Could go up too, couldn't I? So what do you think? How do I graph x is equal to negative 2? I make what type of line?
Vertical.
See a pattern forming here? This is everywhere where x is equal to a negative 2, right? Let's do another one. Graph x is equal to 5. Where would that be?
On the other side.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is x 5 here or is it here? Up here, right?
Yes.
So this is it. So it's a what type of line through x equal to 5?
Vertical.
Vertical line. So, what's the format of a vertical line?
X equals something.
X equals some number. And it's a vertical line through that point. If you'll think about what it represents, it's not hard to remember this. But what messes with people is when you see x, what do you think of? The x-axis. You think horizontal. So the mistake everybody makes is they make a horizontal line for when x is equal to a number, but it's the exact opposite, isn't it? It's everywhere where the x-coordinate's 5, and then that vertical line, everywhere along here, the x-coordinate's 5. Everywhere along here, the y-coordinate is 6. Okay? Where's my worksheets at? Were there no extras?
Sheet.
I didn't get one.
Come on, Corey. Quickly, we'll do a couple on here. I'll try to pick, this is actually very easy. Shh. Let's look at number 2. Negative 4, 0. There's number 2 right there, isn't it? Everybody with me? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Look along those. Is there any there that pose any problems for us? 15, be careful. 0, negative 16. So that's left or right, how many?
Neither. Go down.
0, and then down right here. That's number 15, isn't it? The right 4, and down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I did right there, I did 4, I did number 20 right there. That's easy enough, isn't it? Okay, for your assignment, if they ask you to graph a bunch of points, I don't mind you making a big graph for those. But make another big graph for the next section. Only make one graph per section. When you're graphing lines, you can put 2 lines on a graph, that's it. Okay, make sure and label them, label what number they are, make sure I understand, make them nice and big. I'm going to give you graph paper. Okay, any questions? You okay to